Up guys, so we're going to be doing the oil pump swap today. Probably start with taking this old one off, and then the new one has to be ground up, so this might be this will probably be a 2-day job, but we'll go ahead and start taking this off. So you can see this thing is pretty intricate here. I don't know if you can see the balance shafts inside, but essentially there's a balance shaft that runs through there and through there. So it's a pretty complex. Oh, here they are, right here. Yeah, 2 balance shafts in there. A lot of weight rotating down here, unnecessary weight. So we're gonna remove that, put a K20A2 oil pump on there. Be much better. We got the oil pump off. Still gotta take this. This is like pieces of like a windage tray off. But down in the engine looks really good. Let's see if I can focus. Little plug right here. Fed oil to those balance shafts. So this thing actually needs to be removed and this needs to be plugged. So I'm gonna have to find a way to get this thing out. I have a few ideas. Yeah, here's a quick comparison of the pumps, the oil pumps. See if I can get a better view. K20A2, K24, awful. So as you guys can see, the pump does not fit on the K24 block, so we gotta trim it up a little bit. So I got it marked. I'm gonna go ahead and start making some cuts. Take a little bit away at a time. And hopefully we'll get that bolted down soon. The bolt goes in so we didn't mess up the threads at all. So we got the pump. Properly modified for the K24 block. See how there's a hole there? It used to have this, let me see if I can focus. It used to have this little piece in there. I don't know what to call it, but this little piece supplied oil to the old K24 oil pump. So all I did was, it's kind of tricky to get out sometimes. I just screwed a screw in there and then pulled on it and it came out super easy. So now I just need to get a bolt to stick in there, and all you do is Honda bond the bolt and then bolt it in there. And the threads are actually the same pitch and the bolt is actually the same size as like an intake manifold bolt. I just need to get a shorter one, so I should be able to get that down at the hardware store. So there it is. Everything's torqued down. Looks much better than that ugly giant K24 pump. Trying to find a bolt to go in here, and I was going through my box of Honda parts that I ordered, and I happened to find one that looks like it's going to fit in there. So it's a Honda bolt. Let me show the part number. Still have to test fit it, but there's the part number. Okay, so we got the bolt Honda bonded in there. I torqued it down to 16 foot-pounds just to be safe. It seems like for most of these 12mm bolts here, Honda said 16 foot-pounds, so I figured we got 12mm there, 16 foot-pounds. So that sums up the K20A2 oil pump install. It looks awesome with all the new parts on there. Pump is so mint looking. So now we can flip the engine over, put the timing chain on. What's up, guys? So today we're going to be installing the timing chain, or Factory Service Manual calls it the cam chain. So as you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but the chain actually has, and I'm soaking it just so it's nice and lubricated. The chain actually has some gold links on it. There's one down there. And the gold links actually line up with, one of them lines up with this little mark right there. Let me see if I can focus on it. Yeah, this little mark right here, this little punch mark. And then the other ones line up with, one lines up with this punch mark right here, and then one lines up with this punch mark right here. So it's pretty easy to install. So we're just gonna put that on, and then we just have to install the tensioner down here. Okay, we got the tensioner on. All the marks are lined up. We're going to spin the engine a few times and make sure everything stays in sync.
What we do here is go back.
So I just turned the engine over a few times, and as you can see, cams are at the top dead center alignment, and down here we're right on the top dead center mark. So looks like our cam chain install is good. So now we can remove our pin from our tensioner. Our tensioner set.
Big